Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Sink Organizer Rack. The 2PC Under-Sink Organizer Rack by Pugni offers a convenient solution for anyone looking to maximize storage space in their kitchen. Constructed from high-impact polystyrene, this organizer boasts a sleek black finish with a frosted matte surface, ensuring it fits seamlessly with various kitchen decors while remaining environmentally friendly. Measuring 15.75 inches deep, 8.67 inches wide, and 12.79 inches high, this two-tier design makes use of vertical space, perfect for under-sink areas where clutter often accumulates. The sliding shelf feature enhances accessibility, allowing you to swiftly retrieve items without the hassle of digging through stacks of containers. Each shelf supports a weight capacity of up to 5 pounds, which is adequate for storing cleaning supplies, utensils, or other kitchen necessities. Assembly is required, but the straightforward instructions ensure a quick setup process, making it suitable for anyone, from DIY novices to seasoned handymen. The lightweight frame, at just 3.58 to 3.6 pounds, allows for easy adjustment and repositioning as needed. Coffee grinder. The Cuisinart coffee grinder is an exceptional choice for coffee enthusiasts looking to elevate their brewing experience from the comfort of their home. Constructed with a sleek stainless steel finish, this grinder not only delivers on performance, but also complements any kitchen decor. With dimensions of 7.13 liter by 6 watts by 10.75 ers and a weight of 4.5 pounds, it is compact enough to fit on most countertops while being sturdy enough for everyday use. Featuring the Supreme Grind technology, this grinder offers a consistent and precise grind for your coffee beans, ensuring optimal flavor extraction. It operates at a voltage of 110 volts, making it suitable for standard home kitchen setups. Users appreciate its ease of use, as it is designed for personal use and caters to those who enjoy freshly ground coffee. The grinder's ratings reflect its popularity, boasting 4.3 stars out of 5 from over 44,700 reviews, indicating a broad base of satisfied customers. As the top-rated product in the Burr coffee grinder category, the Cuisinart coffee grinder stands out for its performance and reliability. While the manufacturer has discontinued this specific model, it remains a sought-after choice within the home and kitchen sector, ranked number 425 among the best sellers, showcasing its continued relevance in the market. The item model number, DBM8P1, is recognized for its quality construction and ease of maintenance, ensuring that coffee lovers can enjoy their favorite brews with minimal fuss. Titanium Cutting Board. The Titanium Cutting Board by Suteg offers a versatile and durable solution for various kitchen needs. With dimensions of 15 liters into 10 wadus and a thickness of 1, it strikes a balance between size and functionality, making it suitable for preparing everything from fruits and vegetables to meats and cheeses. The combination of wheat straw PP and titanium not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, available in silver and dark gray, but also enhances its durability and resistance to wear and tear. One of the standout features of this cutting board is its double-sided design, which allows for a more efficient workflow in the kitchen. This reversibility can prevent cross-contamination by allowing you to dedicate one side for raw meats and the other for vegetables or cooked items, maintaining food safety. Additionally, the non-porous surface ensures that it does not absorb odors or stains, making it easy to maintain and clean. The board is designed with a non-slip feature that ensures stability during use, even when tackling the most stubborn ingredients. Measuring 2.27 pounds, it is lightweight enough to handle easily while still being substantial enough to avoid sliding around on the countertop. The product care instructions suggest it should be hand-washed only. However, the dishwasher-safe feature enhances convenience for busy home cooks. Coke Mini Can. The Coke Mini Can 7.5 oz 10-pack presents an appealing option for consumers who enjoy the classic flavor of Coca-Cola but are conscious of portion sizes. With a convenient packaging dimension of 4.25 into 11.43 into 4.56 inches and a total weight of just 7.84 ounces, this product is easy to store in the refrigerator or pack for outings, making it suitable for a variety of lifestyles. One of the most notable features of this product is the size. The 7.5-ounce cans provide a satisfying amount of soda without the commitment of a standard 12-ounce can. This aspect enhances the experience for those who find themselves wanting a quick refreshment or a smaller serving throughout the day. The availability of 10 mini cans in a single pack makes it a practical purchase, whether for personal enjoyment or for sharing during gatherings. Consumer feedback highlights the attractiveness of this product, as it boasts an impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars average rating from nearly 35,000 customers. This level of approval indicates a widespread appreciation for the taste and convenience of these mini cans. The ranking as number 3 in soda soft drinks speaks to its popularity among consumers who favor soft beverages. Bluetooth speaker. The Bluetooth speaker with HD sound, model name C27C, offers an impressive combination of portability, durability, and impressive audio performance, making it a desirable choice for users seeking a reliable sound experience on the go. Its sleek, glossy black design lends a modern aesthetic while remaining functional for various uses, including outdoor events, beach outings, and casual gatherings. One of the standout features of this speaker is its IPX5 waterproof rating, which allows it to withstand splashes and light rain, perfect for poolside parties or beach days without worrying about damage. Additionally, its impressive battery life of up to 24 hours means you can enjoy uninterrupted music throughout the day without the constant need for a recharge. With a Bluetooth range of 30.48 meters, connectivity remains strong, enabling users to maintain their connection with devices like smartphones or tablets, even from a distance. This level of convenience is complemented by the touch control method, making it easy to adjust settings without fumbling for buttons.